Unpacking the phrase, blown away, a journey through English idioms. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is both fun and engaging. Today, we're going to unpack a fascinating English idiom that you might have heard before, blown away. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's dive in and get ready to be blown away by the richness of the English language. The phrase, blown away, is a colorful expression that has nothing to do with the literal action of being pushed by the wind. Instead, when someone says they are blown away, they mean that they are extremely impressed or overwhelmed, often by surprise or awe. It's as if the impressive thing has hit them like a strong gust of wind, leaving a lasting impact. Imagine seeing a performance so good that you can hardly believe it, or hearing news so surprising that it takes a moment to sink in. That's when this phrase comes in handy. Now, let's take a quick look at where this phrase might come from. While the exact origins are unclear, it's easy to picture it evolving from the literal sense of being blown over by the wind to a metaphorical use. When something is powerful enough to move you emotionally, it can feel like a force of nature. Just like the wind that can push, pull, and carry things away. To help you understand better, let's see blown away in action with some examples. 1. I was blown away by the incredible talent at the music concert last night. 2. She was blown away by the surprise birthday party we organized for her. 3. The latest movie from the franchise blew me away with its special effects. Notice how the phrase can be used in both past and present tenses, fitting smoothly into different contexts. A common mistake learners make is using blown away in a literal sense. Remember, it's a metaphorical expression and is not used to describe physical movement but emotional impact. Another point to keep in mind is that blown away is always used in a positive sense. It wouldn't be appropriate to use it for something that left you feeling negative or unimpressed. And that's a wrap on the idiom, blown away. We hope this video has indeed left you feeling a bit more enlightened and excited about using this phrase in English. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to incorporate idioms like this into your conversations. They can really add flavor to your language skills. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.